Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and this video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect roast beef. Okay, so let's get started. Okay my friends, so to make the roast beef we're going to use some cool run-ins seasoning salt, all-purpose seasoning, some Kirkland brand of black pepper. We're going to use some crushed red pepper, some browning. This is Grace brand of browning. I'm going to use an onion, garlic, and some green onion. Okay, and here's the star of the show, which is our ground beef. And this is about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And so my friends, when you're doing the ground beef, you have to make sure this is nice and clean. Okay, so let me open this, and then yeah, so the ground beef we're doing for Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving dinner is just around the corner, as a part of the dinner. So this is wonderful. Okay, so this is nice size for a family of 4. Yeah, so let me just clean this up and we'll continue on. Okay my friends, my ground beef is nicely washed, my hands are clean. Okay, so let's add some seasoning salt to this. Okay, just you had lots just to coat it, and then some red crushed peppers, some black pepper. We might have to add some more, guys, but not to worry. And I'm going to add some browning as well, just to give it a little bit of color and a little bit of flavor, the browning. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to work on my other seasoning. Okay, so as I said, that we're making the perfect roast beef, and this is my version of making roast beef. Okay, so let's get this onion all sliced up. I like to use my paring knife to cut my onions, guys, and you'll find that I use it a lot. I have to get myself some nice sets of knives, honestly. Okay, so we're gonna cut this off small. It doesn't have to be too small though, my friends, because we're going to use this and it's going to cook out in the roast beef while it's being roasted, right? So I'm just going to add this on to my beef. Okay, I'm going to do my green onions. Just cut off that side. I'm just going to rinse this off a little bit, my friends. So let's cut up. Make sure you are using clean hands, of course, and make sure you're washing off the vegetables before, or the seasoning before you season your pot. Okay, so I'm going to add that also onto my roast beef, onto my beef. Okay, so then comes the garlic. I'm going to put maybe 4 cloves of garlic. I like to smash the garlic first before I start to slice it. It peels easier when you crush it, right? Okay. Well, it's Thanksgiving where I am at, but you might be celebrating Thanksgiving on a different day, or maybe you don't celebrate Thanksgiving at all. And if you are doing some celebrations this month, what is it? And just let me know below. Is there a celebration that you're doing this year? It's a little bit weird this year with Thanksgiving, right? Because you really can't get together with a lot of people because of this this COVID-19. Okay, so I got my seasoning all in here, my friends. So I'm going to use my clean hands and I'm going to give this beef a nice bath, right, with all that wonderfulness. Soak it in. Now, my friends, open the crevice of the beef and stuff in all that yumminess, okay? Stuff it in, stuff it in, stuff it in, okay? I'm also going to put some slits and kind of stab my meat up a little bit so that some of the seasoning get into the slits and stuff like that, guys. Okay, this is nicely seasoned. Look at that. That's what you want to see, right? Nicely seasoned. Now I am going to leave the roast beef in here. I'm going to put it in my fridge overnight, but you do not have to do this, guys. You can season it up and put it in the oven right away. It's up to you. But tomorrow is the Thanksgiving dinner, so it's the next day that I'm going to actually be doing the roast beef, but I like to season it now so it's out of the way, sort of thing. Okay, so when we're ready to cook this, I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, my friends, so we're ready to put the roast beef that we have seasoned up into the oven. So just when we season up the roast beef, I just put it in a freezer bag so that it's just easier to store in the fridge and it doesn't require much space. Now, here it is, our seasoned meat. So here it is in the pot, my friends. This is the beef that we seasoned up, and I poured everything on. I'm just going to put some olive oil on it, and then that's it. Place it in the oven, my friends, at 350 for about 2 hours or so. Okay, we'll check it after about an hour and a half, and then we'll see how it does. Okay, so we'll come back when this is ready. Okay, here we are, my friends. The roast beef is well on its way. I think it's actually done. This is after hour and 45 minutes. And I think it's ready to go. See, the fork is piercing through nicely. I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. And then this should be ready. See, nice sauce back down here. We're going to use it to make some nice gravy. All right, so when this is done, we'll come right back. Okay, my friends, here is my roast beef all done. This looks absolutely delicious. The fork is piercing through the meat. It's fully done. And this is after an hour and 50 minutes, my friends. So you have to time it nicely. Remember that wonderful juice. We're going to make some nice gravy. And I'm going to plate my roast beef and show you what it looks like. Okay, so just stay tuned. Here it is, my friends, my roast beef, nicely done in the oven at 350 for an hour and 50 minutes, and I've paired it with some rice and beans, peas, not beans, rice and peas, and there's my wonderful roast beef and some potato salad and some kale salad, and this is my dinner. Thank you for watching, my friends. Don't forget, not everyone that wonders is lost, and always strive for something better.